Hi there, I'm Noah Bradley. This is Handmade House TV, and on today's episode, I'm going to answer the question that I've been getting a lot of over and over again in my email box. Can I recommend a builder for someone else in a different area that they can use in order to build their dream home? And I'm going to answer that question, so stay tuned. Well, all right, once again, thank you for tuning in here to Handmade House TV. If you get time after this video, please come over at Handmade Houses and check us out. There's a lot of incredible free material to use over there. In addition, you'll find out more about the access to my premium courses where I share you step by step through the process, hands-on, of how to build your dream handmade house, whether or not that's a log cabin or a timber frame or a stone home or you name it. It's all there, and they're great courses with a lot of reviews, and you're going to really enjoy it if you come over there and check it out. But anyway, in this last week, I have gotten at least a dozen inquiries. Hey, Noah, I live in blank, whatever part of the country you might be living in. Can you recommend a builder for my particular log cabin? I love what you do. Is there any chance I can get you to come there and build it as well? The chances of getting me to build your home are pretty slim, unless you're just building an unbelievable one, and you have a really tremendous operating budget in order to do that, in order to get me to come all the way to wherever you are, because the costs are just prohibitive in order to move an entire crew and get oriented in a whole different area to go with. And so people will ask me, well, can you recommend a builder? First off, I have a real difficult time at recommending anyone, because even the most pristine, perfect plumber in the world, I have recommended to someone else, and they ended up with a negative experience from them, and therefore it kind of soured the relationship with me. So it's all about a one-on-one, and it's a roll of the dice whether or not two personalities and two understandings jive well together. But even beyond that, the world of building a traditional log home is such a unique niche that I've found that there's no one outside of my immediate area that I could recommend to do it. When I originally started Handmade Houses, my goal was actually to put together a community of like-minded builders with experience and a portfolio of homes that they had designed and built, building traditional log cabins and timber frames and stone structures. And I found out I didn't find any. And so it was very disheartening for that, which led me to start creating courses in order to teach other people how to properly build it. Because a traditional log cabin is a radically different structure in how it goes together, how it looks, and the different considerations you have in order to put it together, in order to make it as good as it possibly can. And no matter how wonderful of a builder you have, if he doesn't have this experience and thought through the whys of how things should come together in order to end up with a log cabin that you'll love and you won't regret building in the first place, it takes a lot of experience. And it took me years of learning, and I learned through some of the experts in the field as well, in order to put it all together. And so there's no one out there that I know of that I could recommend, even if there was the risk factor of oil and water not jiving together. So one of the reasons why I did this course is so that individuals can build their own log cabins through the courses. But also, if you're a homeowner and you don't have a desire to do the hands-on, sweaty, hard labor task of building a home, you want to hire someone else to build that dream home for you. What do you do? And that is that the course is there for not only for you to learn how to do it, and that is, it's also there for your builder to learn from it. If you can find someone in your area whose personality jives with you, who has a good reputation, and has an interest in doing a log home, they can take my courses, they can learn how to do it, and they can build a log cabin just as well as I can. But I still highly recommend that you, as a homeowner, go through the courses as well, because a builder might take some of my instructions and okay, I'll do this one, but I won't do this one. And so you end up with a hybrid of between a traditionally built log cabin and a stick-built vinyl home in a subdivision. And the two don't jive. You're going to end up with a cheaper version of it. So if you as a homeowner can also learn what's in the course, and it's at a level that you can, and your builder goes through the same material, then between the two of you working together and building your home, you're going to be able to get it, and you're going to be able to get it a lot cheaper than hiring me and my crew to move to another state for a year in order to build your home. So please consider, regardless of whether or not you're going to build a home yourself or you're going to hire another builder to do it, you need to go through the course as well as they do. And if you sign up for any of my courses, you have lifetime access to it, and you can watch it as many times as you want. So get it now, watch it all, go through it, and then as you're building your house, then you can go through it as well to refresh yourself as you go through the process of building a log home. Okay, I hope that all made sense to you and everything else. And I hope that answers some of the questions. I get some mighty tempting offers, some beautiful areas of the country. I almost wish that I could clone myself and send somebody to Asheville and up to Pennsylvania to put together some of these unique ones. Some of them are mighty tempting. Some of them are breathtaking homes, and I really wish there was more of me, and I wish I was a younger man and was able to travel to all these places and build all these beautiful dream homes for all these fine people who watch me here on YouTube. So anyway, come on over to Handmade Houses, check out all the free content over there, check out my premium courses, sign up for the Handmade House Guild, which gives you access to all of my courses in one payment, and it's yours for a lifetime. And so that's it for today, and we'll talk to you here next week on Handmade House TV. Bye now.